It's this time of the year again, and as Lyceum Centre for the Gifted and Talented, we will be offering another batch of fun-filled holiday workshops. In the first week, we will be delivering the Great Detective Challenge, where students are presented with a case and must solve puzzles to obtain clues and deduce who the culprit is. They will be divided into teams and compete with other teams to be the first to solve the mystery. This is a multidisciplinary thinking skills workshop that will combine knowledge from various subjects. What's special about our workshop is at the end, we'll be having a philosophical discussion on why the crime took place, the motive, and how to prevent similar tragedies from happening again. So the game does not just end with finding the culprit, but also contextualizing it to our real life. The dates will be 26th to 27th of September for the primary stream aiming at children from years 3 to 6, and 28th to 29th for secondary stream for students at years 7 to 10, from 9 AM to 3 PM at Apping Boys High School. We will have 2 teaching staff per class with around 12 in each class. What if you aren't in Sydney but would still want to join our workshops? We've got you covered. In our second week, we will have a language and culture workshop. This is a transdisciplinary online workshop that will also look into other disciplines such as translation, culture, and languages philosophy. The workshop is a half-day online workshop with the secondary stream on 4th to 5th of October and primary on 6th to 7th October from 9:30 AM to 1 PM. The lessons will take place through Zoom, and the class size is around 8 students per class. If you would like to know more, please visit us at www.lyceumcentre.com. You can also email us at info@lyceumcentre.com or call us at 0413 456 159. If you still haven't done so, do subscribe to our Facebook page for information such as recommended resources like books or movies for gifted children and parents of gifted children. Hope to see you in our workshops!